right, everybody. Good day, another sunny day in Philippines, in
Mabiga.
Pampanga.
Pampanga, Mabiga.
We are up in a little area called Mabiga.
Mabiga.
That's a barangay, right? Barangay Mabiga, I think it is. That's what I was told. But anyway, one of the reasons we're here, we are going to, over the next day or two, we are going to put up a couple of videos from a couple of developments
Here in Mabiga, yes.
here in Mabiga under what I have called places to live in Andoer City. I'm going to change that. Name on that is going to be places to live in Pampanga. And this one is Mabiga is located inside Mabalacat. So we're going to do a change there, but there, for those of you who are interested in investing in properties here, we have featured that in a playlist, and you can go to that playlist, and I will link to it in this video. And over the next 2 days, we are going to next 2 days we are going to put out a couple of videos regarding that. So let's take a little walk here in Mabiga, and we go from there. All right, so this is Mabiga, guys. What we are, the road here is MacArthur Highway, and we're just gonna walk down here, feature the area a little bit. Sorry for the noise, guys. That jeepneys are, they love to honk their horns, looking for passengers. But anyway, so this area is right across from the bridge from NLEX and whatever, or SETEX actually, SETEX, going down to Subic, I think. And this area, I'm sorry guys, it's super noisy here, but these little strip malls, full of life, traffic intense, very traffic intense. So down this, on the other side of the bridge, you can see down there, there's a big church down there. And the residential areas we are going to feature in our next video, you know, when you live up there, you don't have grocery stores or anything, but these are the areas. On the other side of this bridge, you have SM Hypermart, right? Which is it's a big store, a lot of variety, a lot of imports for foreigners, a lot of fresh vegetables and that kind of stuff. So that is within 1 to 2 kilometers from these developments, and we're going to try to cross the street here. I think we'll take a shot at it right this minute. These motorcycles, they just love to drive like crazy, but that's how they are.
They're always like that.
Yeah, they're always like that. My foot.
There we go.
All right, so here's another motorcycle dealer. I think. Kawasaki dealer. Looks like a brand new stalls they built here. Gas station. Estrelas gas. They're actually cheaper here. Look, it's 46 down in Andoer and 43 for premium. So
Free car wash.
you and free car wash too. Okay. That sounds good. The Mabiga area on up here, a little bit up the road. Been up here a few times. They have like a Filipino food place that I've been up having lunch a few times. They have really good barbecue. It is street food, but it is good. It's good. Side griller. What do we got here? Huh? What is this? Side griller. For ticket reservation inquiries with back-to-back full band. That's pretty interesting. I never seen it. It's pretty nice. You see the courtyard here. So they have like, I don't know if you can. They're not open officially.
They're not open.
But this is pretty cool. Look at the little cabanas or whatever you want to call them there. That's pretty cool. And they have a stage.
Yeah, they have serving.
Stage for the band.
It's like a band.
Stage for the band. Yeah, it's really nice. Maybe we have to go here one night and check it out when they're open. And that was called, what was it? Side Griller. And live fun night featuring Super Tekla, April 3rd. So there's like a big thing on April 3rd.
Oh, is that one?
Who is Tekla?
That's a famous comedian.
Oh,
His name is Tikla.
Tekla.
Tikla. Super Tikla.
Oh, okay.
He is a famous comedian.
He is a famous female comedian.
It's
He
like,
is a comedian.
It's like dual.
Dual.
Yeah, it's like
Dual what?
dual. Maybe it's a man, maybe it's a girl.
Okay, he is a man that wants to be a girl. Maybe. Okay, we'll go. There's a lot of those here in Philippines. GR Bank. All right, so the development we're going to visit is they have their sales office right there on the corner, and then these developments are down this road here, and we are going to take you there in a couple of other videos. Streets are busy. Come on. You want to go look? All right. There you go. Yeah. All right. So, Mr. Donut. In U.S. we have Dunkin' Donuts and Krispy Kreme.
Yeah, Krispy Kreme is
Here in Philippines, the big one is Mr. Donut. That's a pretty big one, right? All over the Philippines. Donut shop, and I've had it a few times, and it is actually pretty good. Down here, they have not very many banks, but I saw a GR Bank on the corner here, just to give you a little idea of what's around the development we're going to feature tomorrow. So.
way that we're going to Fairgrounds, right?
Yeah. The Fairgrounds and what's the other one called? Brentwood, right? Right. So there'll be two different videos, and Brentwood, from what I understand, has a lot of. It's an older development, and there's a lot of foreigners that lives in there. So we're gonna check it out eventually. All right. So let's go up here on the other side. Yeah, we can go and buy Mr. Donut if you want. take it home.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that. We're gonna go and check these donuts out. My wife tempted me to get some donuts. So we're gonna go and get some. And the way they do it here, they put it pretty much a little hole in the wall. And all right, so Mr. Donut. So let's have some donuts. They look pretty appetizing actually. So you get, what do you want? I want to have Bavarian.
Bavarian classic.
Yeah, two strawberry, and then you want those choco? They're pretty good.
That one also.
Yeah. So yeah, get one. You get it.
What did you buy?
I bought Bavarian
Bavarian to Bavarian.
and strawberry. 2 and 2. That's what I got. But it's amazing how busy these streets are. Philippine community is growing very, very fast. Yummy, yummy. The area also have the money line, dental clinics, Western Union. Over on the other side there you see some beauty supply stores. Padala is like a pay center, pay Maya, you can pay your bills, pick up money, and a few other things. And right across there, also a little clothing shop. So Blue Zone variety store, it looks like they're selling rice and a little bit of everything in there. All right, so let's walk around here. All right, so this is the place I'm talking about, the barbecue place. And they made some changes to it now. But they have really good barbecue. And back in there, open seating and a lot of people come here. A lot of people come in here after work and all that. So it's a nice area. We've been here a few times to eat and have a good time. All right, guys, that was a little walk in Mabiga, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos of the developments coming up. I'm going to try to put them out Saturday, Sunday, where I know most people have a lot of time to take a look at it, sit down, have a cup of coffee and watch a video. I think it's going to be interesting. The developments back there looks very interesting. I drove by there the other day. They won't let you in without an agent, so we are going to catch the agent and walk in there and get it done. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button. While you're down there, hit the bell. Share, like, comment. The likes on our videos helps us tremendously to forward the channel as well. So we are appreciating a like and a comment. Thank you. God bless.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.